Hi, Chris Ravenscroft again from Cobra Line Environmental. I wanted to just spend a moment to talk to you about sand mound design and installation. Most sand mounds are about 900 square feet, typically 30 by 30. And it's really important when you lay out your property, if you're building for the first time, or even if you're redesigning your system, that you locate the sand mound after design in a part of the property that's not the lowest part of the property, because you don't want to have any surface water running in that direction. Similarly, once you do locate your sand mound, you want to make sure that you don't have drains, either gutter drains or surface drains from your driveway or any other paved areas headed towards your sand mound. Just as importantly, you don't want a landscape on top of your sand mound. It's really just grass, okay? 12 inches of dirt cover that lateral system, and you want to have grass on top. Don't plant shrubs or trees in close proximity. Probably a good guide is maybe 10 to 15 yards away at the closest. You want to provide lots of sunshine so that there's evaporation, and you want to make sure that you're not driving over it. Lawn tractors fine, four-wheelers are a no-no, definitely not automobiles. Some really basic information on sand mounds. If you'd like to know more, feel free to contact us. You can leave a comment below. You can always reach us in Honesdale at 570-253-3660. Thanks for checking out this video. If you'd like to check out others, subscribe to our YouTube channel and see what's there. If you're a customer, we appreciate your business. If we can help you, don't hesitate to give us a call.